Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the Striker 45 SMG. This is the new one from this season, the new SMG. So what you need to do is click the Battle Pass banner at the left of your screen. This is a Battle Pass banner. So this is the reward. So for example, you can get this instant reward by topping up, but you can also get the free rewards. For example, like this is the free. There is a free text or free caption in here, and also you can get this one, Striker 45 Battle Pass SMG weapon for free. So let's get the details. Click the details at the right of your screen. This is the new one, the new SMG for this season, Striker 45. So let's slide the details information. So this is an SMG with high damage and mobility but low to medium fire rate. So it means it can perform well in mid-range damage, but it's not recommended if your playstyle is QCQ, close combat quarter 1. You will be defeated by Fennec or the other SMG that have a high fire rate. And this is the gunsmithing. The attachment is quite unique. This is one of the unique one. Switch to 2-shot bursts, and also the body part damage also increases, but the accuracy is lower. And also you can get some unique barrel attachment in here. So try it now and test by yourself in game. The Striker 45. Thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.